A lot of time what happens is that either of your one of your team members is working on this software or you yourself are working on this, and in a hurry while you import your broker's contract note, while mapping of the scripts by mistake, you map wrong script over there, and in reports you are just rambling around to find out where the error is. Once you identify that this is the wrong company name that you have mapped and you would want to rename it, we also have a feature under tools called rename script. This will allow you to rename or transfer the transactions from one asset, that one security of the asset, from one to another. So assuming that this 2.5 gold bond that I have over here doesn't belong to this specific script, by mistake I have mapped this. I identified that. Now I want to rename it to the correct one. So I'll have to just tick mark this, come on the right hand side, read the description that we have done over here, that is place presenter button to map the new script. Just click OK or hit enter button. Script master will open for you. Now find out the exact correct script that you need to map against this 2.5 gold bond. So I'll take it as Reliance Industries and just map this 2.5 against Reliance Industries and close it. Once I do that, you could see that this 2.5 bond has gone away, which means that all the transactions that were mapped against that 2.5 gold bond has been now transferred to Reliance Industries. This is how, if by mistake while importing a broker's contract note, you have wrongly mapped the script, you could correct it from this tool.